Welcome, in front of me is DELL 7320, and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using this device's camera. So first, open the Start menu and go to List of all applications. On the list, select Camera and open it. Then prepare the QR code that you want to scan and face it to the frontal camera of your device. Then scroll down the list to select the barcode scanning feature. And once you see this link or anything else on your camera screen, open it and you will be transferred to the resource you wanted to enter using this QR code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.